All right, welcome back to another Initial Speed. Today, off to Cayuga, or Toronto Motorsport Raceway, I think is the name of it.
That's what it's called.
So I, of course, got the other half of Initial Speed all up in here. So we're gonna go to this show and try to have some fun. You know, see what, as per usual, what we like, what we don't like. I'm the don't like part, because Omar likes everything, and I hate everything. But yeah, so we're just, we're a little behind.
Yeah, it starts at 5, right?
Yeah, it starts at 5, and we're 100% sure this time. Inside joke if you haven't watched the rest of our videos, or the last one, I think it is. So yeah, we're just running through Hamilton right now, trying to make our way over to Cayuga, and yeah, check out the nice cars.
Yeah, it's hosted by the Straight Pipe, so should be pretty interesting.
Well, I'm guessing out here. Oh, there you go. That's a nice color.
Damn, okay.
That's a really nice color. I would rock that. That is really nice. JDM Legend plate. That's what the plate is, eh? JDM Legend.
Nice.
So we made it finally through some back roads, as I'm sure you'll see. Not a lot's going on just yet, but I mean, people are still working, right? So, or just getting off of work. So I anticipate shortly we should see some crazy amounts of people and some crazy cars. Wow, this thing handles.
Yeah, it's not bad. My BRZ is better, but
yeah,
it's still. I mean, this thing makes it up for power. My BRZ is set up for the track. This is totally stock car.
Damn. Wow, 191 down the street.
Of Teslas. This one looks dropped. Like the wing. GT3 RS.
know it's the same car, I know, but the body
Not
style-
me.
Well, I mean, that's why there's so many different vehicles, right? We all have different tastes.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we
I
all
like
be
it
driving
too,
the same
though.
thing,
I like
right?
it as well. I'm not saying I don't like it. Just
It's just you prefer that over
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
This is a bit more understated than that.
yeah. Yo, so far this show's actually pretty sick. Like we got cars ripping around. You know, some guys finished their hot laps already, and it looks like we're gonna have some drag racing.
I want to see that MRS. I've never been up close to it.
That M looks good at the end.
Sweating them, man.
Oh, he got him. He got him on the straight.
Oh yeah. It's the corners where the MRS shines.
Everybody here. Is the sun closed on that football?
Well, if it's flat, it's lightweight, right?
Weight reduction.
There you go.
I only did the big one. Yeah, maybe.
From Cambridge days.
Yeah. It's freaking dope. Love the air jacks. Let's go. That's it.
He came over and I was checking it out because it was new, right?
Yeah.
I think it was like a cool
My turn, my turn.
1397, 105, 16, 15, and 88. That's not ideal.
Perfect, no problem doing that all day.
Now, the race to be the Mustang's going to get focus. No, maybe not. All it's missing is the E and let's over on the right. No.
Close, if there was more room.
job, yeah. We got somebody buzzing us with their aeroplane. My aeroplane off the line. On his certificates and
Still.
No, well, we got to talk to a bunch of people, so that was nice. I know we're not big yet, but you know, it would be nice if people just randomly came up and said hey to us. One day. My highlight was taking a rip in the Supra. That, again, I think it's ugly compared to the prototype that they showed us. But you've got to respect those numbers. Like,
What was his name again?
Max.
Shout out, Max. Thanks for that. We got a bunch of photos of your car, so.
Yeah, photos coming your way for sure. As far as favorite car, I didn't get a chance to see. I don't see MRSs very often, so it was nice to see that. And meeting the Italian guy, Vincenzo, I think, from Italy.
Mm-hmm.
That was nice. Yeah.
Cool.
So
Nice
I
show.
guess this is the end, unless we see anything on the way home. But yeah, it was fun. I enjoyed it. 100% can't wait to come back. I miss the smell of tires, brakes, and clutches.